Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Please do subscribe to my channel. With your support, I'll be able to post more and more videos in future. So let's start today's video. Today's video is for all the cloud support engineer because today we are going to configure the metrics for virtual machine. So here we will be configure the metrics for Azure VM. So this will be your day-to-day job if you are working as a cloud support engineer. As part of your job, there will be a request that you have to configure the metrics for few VMs or a VM, particular VM. We can get the data like CPU usage, network traffic, OS disk usage, boot success, and many other metrics. So to configure these metrics, we don't have to install any software. We can do this in Azure portal only. First, I will show you how to create a VM from the Azure shell. Then I will show you how to create the boot diagnostics metrics. So let's start. So here in Azure portal, I have opened Cloud Shell, and from there I will be creating the storage account, and after that I'll be creating the Azure VM. So let's start first with the command. The command that I'll be using is storage equals to matrix storage dollar sign random az space storage space account space create. Then I'll give the name of the storage. The name of the storage will be storage new. Then stock keeping unit will be standard LRS. Location will be East US 2. Resource group name, I will copy it from my existing resource group. Then I will press enter. I'm getting some error message. So I am going to rename the name of the storage. Then I'll press enter. Now it's creating the storage. Storage is created. Now I am going to create the Azure VM with boot diagnostics enabled. So I will type az space VM create. Then I'll give the name as new Linux VM. Then I'll give the image as Ubuntu LTS. Then I'll give the size standard underscore B1S. Then I'll give the location East US2. I'll set the admin username. Then I'll create the boot diagnostic storage. Then I will mention the resource group. It's running. So let's wait. I will go to home. Let's wait for a couple of minutes. I will wait for a couple of minutes. So now I can see that VM is created. I can see that power state VM is running. So now what we will do is we will go and check the VM. So first I will go to virtual machines. I can see that okay, new Linux VM is created. Click on that Linux machine. So you can close the cloud shell. So first thing that we need to do is we have to go to metrics under monitoring, and here we can create the metrics. So first is we need to go to boot diagnostics, and from here we can select the settings, and we can select the enable manage storage account recommended, that is selected, and save it. And now what we can do, we can wait and we can see that okay, it's updating the boot diagnostic settings. So it's completed successfully. Now you can go and check that uh, check that book diagnostic. This is the screenshot, and you can see that the Linux VM is started actually. You can click on serial log. This is the serial log. You can see that the machine is started already. You can see the machine is already started. So here you can see the logs, and you can go to metrics. Then you can select some of the metrics. For example, this is the scope of the metric. New Linux VM metric namespace should be virtual machine host. Then metric should be something like percentage CPU. Uh, that is very common metric. And aggregation should be maximum. Click on add metric. Then you can select some more metric. For example, disk related metric. For example, OS disk, write bytes per second, then average. Then you can click on local time. This um, local time time range is last 30 minutes. Click on apply. Then you can click on pin to dashboard. So new dashboard is already, one dashboard is created, so I am pinning to that dashboard. Click on pin, so it will be pinned to dashboard. So let's go to dashboard. So you can see that I am able to see two metric. This is for max percentage CPU for monitored Linux VM, and this is for max percentage CPU for and average OS disk write bytes per second for new Linux VM. This VM I have already created previously, and this is the current VM that I have created just now. So you can see the metric from the dashboard also. So um, so so that's all for this video. I hope this video is useful. If you like the video, please do like and subscribe to this channel, and see you in the next video.